Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's GT Patrick, and in today's video I'll be showing you a new way to start mining cryptocurrency on your phone. Alright, and this is going to call Delta. Okay, this is called Delta, the Delta coin, or the Delta chain, or the Delta app. Alright, so in this app I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step guide on how you can use to start it and how you can start making money online from it. All right, so this is a new project that's been around the corner for some time and currently is being the talk of the internet. If you are on Twitter, you are going to hear a lot of people talk about it, and if you visit their page on Twitter, you are going to see that they have gotten a lot on their sleeves that they are ready to reveal to us. So on this data coin, I will be leaving a link of this application on the description of this video so that you can go over there, click on it, download the application, sign up, and then follow my steps I'm going to show you in this video. If you are joining me for the first time, I am GT Patrick and I make videos on how you can make money online for free without getting to sell anything or buy any kind of service. So if this is what you find interesting to you, kindly click on the subscribe button of this channel, like and share this video to your friends and families on social media so that they can also benefit from this. So the link for this application is down in the description of this video. So go over to the description of this video and click on the link, download the application into your devices, and then check for my BIC code. I'm going to leave it right there in the description. You are going to see it right there, and I will leave it for you so that you can sign up for this and start earning this Delta coin. All right, so let's dive into the video. Now on the data coin application, you can see it right there. It says tap to mine data coin. Mining had stopped. Every 24 hours is a mining cycle. Click the lighting icon to start a new round of mining. Data's mining is a distribution mechanism that does not consume extra computing power and network traffic of your device. Now, what does this mean? This means that the data coin mining application, it doesn't consume your network, it doesn't consume your battery. Okay, so everything is on cloud storage. Okay, everything runs in the cloud, so your battery doesn't go for it, your data connection also doesn't go for it. So this is one good thing about the data coin application that I have just noticed, because I've been using it for quite some time now, and I've noticed it that my battery doesn't drain faster and my network connection doesn't deprive me of my network charges. So this is a free to use app. So when you get into the application, all you have to do is you see this logo right here. You can see this logo right here. This is what you are going to be clicking every 24 hours. So this is what I'm going to click. I'm going to click this place, and it says here on this board, this mining information. It says participated in mining 30 times. Now you can see I have mined over 30 times in a row, and a total income this time is about 7.079 data coin. You can see I've gotten about 7 plus of data coin so far. And the time interval from last mining, you can see the minutes that was consumed. You can see the effective mining hours. Okay, so this is what it's going to show you. All you have to do is click on this mine. Okay, and as soon as I click on the mining, it's going to start mining. It's going to give me an advert for me to view. Sometimes it gives adverts. Okay, so that's just the thing. So after the advertisement or whatever it brings to your screen is over, you cancel the advertisement and it's going to bring you back to this page. You can see I'm start my mining machine. Okay, you can see I'm currently mining the data coin, and this is going to run for 24 hours. So I just have to go over. I can switch off my phone, I can do any other thing I want to do, I can go back to my businesses and every other thing I need to attend to why this runs for me in the cloud. And mind you, there's another new thing about this data coin I noticed, and it's about the minting level. Now if you click on the minting level, it says that the end of mining is going to be this time. Okay, I just started mining, so about 23 hours 59 minutes to go. Now the total mining rate I get a day is 9.33 data coin. This is what I get in a day. Okay, this is the best rate. Okay, 4.0 in a day, but due to my referral campaigns and all of that, I get 9.33 per day. Now this is the base rate that everybody gets, 4.09 per day. If you join the application newly, you'll be having 4.0 of the data coin every day. All right, you can see it's being break down right here. You can see the direct referral rewards. When you refer someone over to the data coin application, you are going to see the breakdown right here, how you are going to be rewarded and how you are going to get everything. So instead of you just having 4 data coin in a day, you are going to be getting about 5.33 in a day. Okay, one of the data coin actually goes for that person you referred, so that one coin is going to be coming added over to your mining from that particular person currently online mining under your referral. So let's look at more details on the data coin. So if we scroll down here now, you'll see that over 300 billion total allocation and the mining ratio of about 480 billion mining ratio. And you can see the total that have been mined out of this ratio is 99.867% of people, and over 60% of the allocation is currently being recovered for these people. You can see the census promotion and all of that. You can see the registration trends every day. You can see currently the registration rates. You can see it per week, you can see it per day, per month, of people actually registering every day and joining the data coin chain. Now let's talk about the referral program. Now if you click on this, if you got on the application after you sign up, if you click on this, this is your referral page where you are going to see your referrals and your indirect referrals. Now these are my referrals. You can see I referred them directly and they are currently mining under me. Now anyone who refers someone into the data coin application, they are going to come over to the indirect page. Okay, yeah, I'm going to see them right here. So if any of my referrals should refer someone into the data coin application, I'm going to see them on my indirectly list. Now I'm going to see them here. So currently my referrals haven't referred anyone or brought anyone into their team, so that's why I'm not seeing them right here. And when you refer someone, you can see below here it says invite friends to join data and improve social consensus together. The mining rate of each indirectly recommended person increases by 1 all over 10 of the base rate. Now instead of you having just 4 delta coin per day, you will be having 5.33 per day. So if you should refer 2 people, you will be having, that is 6 data coin in a day. So that's how it is, 1 data coin per 1 referral. So this is a very good project that's currently going on now and is flooring the internet. It's the talk of the internet right now, and a lot of things are coming into this. Okay, so we are looking into its KYC soon. So gradually the company is going to put in the KYC applications where the data coin is going to be established to the algorithm of cryptocurrencies blockchain. All right, so this is a very good project and I urge you all to join in the project. I'll be leaving the link in the description like I said, so do check the description of this video to get the link and sign up for the data coin application. You can see over here they are creating their die app, where you can see their roadmap and all of that. Click on their roadmap, you are going to see all the activities that they have done so far. Okay, you can see all of them right on their roadmap, and you can see a lot of recommendations from people actually recommending it, and they are saying it's a good project. Okay, so that's it. So let's go over there now and come over to the menu. This is where you are going to see your profile. Now, this is my profile, and this is a DID code when signing up. So when you sign up for this application after downloading, it's going to ask for a DID code. That is my DID code right there. I'll be leaving this code on the description of this video so that you go over and copy that code, put it in the referral under the DID of the referrer, and you are going to be logged into your data coin. All right, so let's go over to the wallet. So data coin have created their wallet for you, so everyone got a wallet on it. If you click on the wallet, you are going to see this is my wallet address, and you can see the data coin token right here which says data coin. So is right here with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on their wallets, meaning that as soon as they go into the space of actually bringing it to existence for use, you are going to be seeing all of these wallets uses. Okay, you can actually transact using this wallet, saving each cryptocurrencies on it, and also doing withdrawals and transfers with it. You can also send cryptocurrencies from the wallet to other cryptocurrencies wallet. Okay, so these are the things that the data coin team are teaming up and discussing about, and it's going to be a very huge project on their launch. So I urge you all to join this amazing project because it's an amazing project, and very soon it's going to come to existence and it's going to be the talk of the global space. All right, so that's all you have to know about the data coin application for now. So for those of you who are currently just watching with us, I appreciate you all, and I would kindly like you to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with your friends and families on social media so that they can also grab from this information. So I'm leaving my Telegram channel in the description of this video, where you can click and go over to join my Telegram channel where I upload other updates, because those on my Telegram channel, they actually get more updates than those on YouTube, because there's a lot we talk about on my Telegram channel before bringing it to my page on the YouTube space for more and clearer definition of it. So I'll urge you all to join my Telegram channel. Click on the link in the description to join my Telegram channel so that you get every single update before they are being dropped on our YouTube page. All right, so that's just how you do on the data coin application. Just click on the link in the description to get the application and sign up. Use the DID code I'm dropping in the description of this video. Sign up for the data coin application and click on the center where you see the Litecoin symbol right there to keep mining every 24 hours of the day. And make sure you refer your friend by sharing also your referral links on your social media pages so that you can also refer your friends and families to join with you in this mining journey. All right, so to the next one, my friends and viewers all over the world, wherever you are, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop videos like this. All right, so see you all and peace out.